to Knockenrawley Resource Centre, organic gardens and organic allotments. This morning we are in a tunnel, and I just want to show you that if you do have a tunnel, you can grow vegetables all through the winter as well as outdoors in the summertime. You can grow vegetables outside in the winter time, some vegetables, but they have a better chance inside in the tunnel because the heavy winds won't affect them. So what we've here, to start with, here we have a plant here called Swiss chard. It's not in the wrong place, but a seed must have blown in. But here is what our crop is, which is spinach, and that's all ready to be clipped now. By plucking that, you'll get another crop next week and another crop the week after. Next to it there, the lovely red colour is that is mustard, and behind it there's another mustard. There's a red one and there's a green leafed one back here. So yeah, there's our green mustard. That's another one of our lettuces. We roughly have about 6 different types of lettuce. This is our beans. We'll be harvesting them very shortly now, and then we'll be taking all that away and maybe planting more stuff there. We have some rocket at this side, lettuce grown on for the winter, and some spring onion. So we can have our spring onions not just in the springtime, we can have them all through the year. And we have some beetroot further down. We have some cabbages there, and we also have two different types of lettuce here. So it just goes to show you can have a whole heap of stuff growing inside in your tunnel. You see, it's early autumn, and just looking at our tomato crop, that's probably the last of the red tomato we're going to have. But we will be able to use the green tomatoes to make chutney. So hopefully, there'll be no waste. We will use them up, and we might keep some of the tomatoes and keep them for seed for the springtime. All through the late autumn, the winter, and into the springtime. Here we have just a little bit over a week. These seeds were put into this tray. This one is there about 3 weeks. So stuff comes on pretty quick, and so we're actually kept busy, keeping all this area full with seedlings for the winter and the late autumn. This is just part of our living green. We always have to have a symbol because we are organic. We have to prove that we are organically obeying the law. So here we have a wild plant. It's a lovely honeysuckle. Some people know it as woodbine. More people know it's a Lonesra. But it's lovely to see it. Again, pollinator, biodiversity, and of course it's lovely to put and bring inside because I think it's a beautiful flower, the way it comes down, and that is the Lonesra. The question being asked about Elder and Alder, and yeah, people are confused with which is which. This particular one is elder, and this is the elderberry. This is what they make the wine of, and also the birds love this berry. So again, by planting this tree, you're creating biodiversity again because you're putting something that's bringing food into the gardens. We spoke earlier about the elder, which is this one, and this one here, then this tree, this huge tree that's here beside us, that's actually called an alder. And people say they get mixed up in the two. The name is quite the same, but it's not. One is A and the other one is E. But there's the difference in the leaves. The leaves are completely different in the elder in comparison to the leaves of the alder. And that's the fruit of the elder, and this is the seed of the alder. So there's a massive difference between the two trees, and there's a lot behind this alder. If you go into Irish folklore, I let you do that because you could go on forever talking about the alder. It's a funny tree because when you cut it, it's white, but when it's exposed for a while to the air, the wood turns red. So that's our elder and our alder. Now we have another tree here. Another magical tree, apparently, if you look up the folklore of it, it's hazel. And there's some lovely stories behind hazel. And of course we all know the hazelnut, and they say that for eating hazelnut it's supposed to make you very intelligent and very clever. I don't know that for sure, but that is our hazel. Again, a lovely tree, and if people look up a bit more about it, you'll be able to tell me more so about it. And then just below that tree then there is silver birch. Silver birch is a lovely tree as well, it's silver bark, and we do sometimes take the juice from the birch in the springtime, and I have drunk it, and it's lovely clear taste of it, especially out of the fridge. So that's our silver birch, our hazel, our elder and our elder, and that we've covered this morning.